Hello guys, this is Seth here, and I'm back with a new video. This time, I'm going to be unboxing all three of my Rwby figures. This is my newer one I got like 3 days ago, and here I got this one today. So, here we go. I guess we can start off with Blake here. So I got this not too long ago. Let's see. Here, I've already put in like half the stuff on. So this, you can see that right there. That's her sword. Pretty neat. I mean, it looks just like her too. So that's the thing that they stand on. But for some reason, she won't go on it. I don't know. Then Yang. This one. Alright. Okay. So Yang fits on this completely fine. Neat character. Neat everything. So that was 2. And finally, we got Cinderfall. If I can get this open. There we go. And this. Now, I didn't really open the whole thing, but I got the hold on a second. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we have Cinderfall, and this is really cool looking. And so, come in these things. I guess we won't be really needing that, but yeah, I mean, there's the double sword. I mean, that's cool right there. That's really cool. Alright, so give me a second. So, like, I haven't worked on collecting all of them yet, but, you know, I'm still trying to work on it. You know, one by one. There we go. So I got it untied. There. Cinderfall, guys. And look at that. I love the flame. So, like, so I'm gonna probably, like, I'm gonna get these out, and then I'm gonna do another video with all them, and just kind of just show off on how they'll look afterwards. Be sure to subscribe for more. Yeah, cause like I'm a huge fan of Rwby. It's like my favorite like show in the world. Subscribe for more and have a good time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.